Hi, I'm Bill Boyd, ModSystem SB. Green, affordable, living units, mass-produced. Population, housing, future Earth. We know what we need to do. ModSystem is doing it now. Green is synonymous with sustainable. Global warming is climate change, which is also climate crisis. Every independent scientific body from the National Academy of Sciences to all G8 scientific academies are in agreement that climate change is droughts, freshwater scarcity, increased frequency of more severe storms, rising oceans, heat waves, and melting glaciers. The climate crisis is increasing and threatens the future prosperity of humankind. The climate crisis is an environmental issue, a global issue, and a world health issue. What is needed is a collective will to set in motion efforts to curb waste and pollution. Global solutions are in everybody's best interest. What is green? It is conserving an ecological balance by avoiding depletion of natural resources and reducing carbon emissions. It is fundamentally reducing waste and pollution. It is preserving our planet for future generations. The global economic crisis has made it clear that no one country, no single economy is immune to the actions and developments in another country. Change and transformation take place when we are pitted against the elements. We must work collectively towards a sustainable future. Out of crisis must come growth through cooperation. Sustainability is staying in business. Planetary degeneration ultimately threatens our work and our existence. Instability and war over natural resources are direct threats to profits and development. The population of the Earth increased from 1.6 billion in 1900 to almost 6.8 billion today. For most of human history, 15% of the population lived in cities. For the first time in history, more than half the population is living in cities. Global population is growing and is expected to level out at 9 billion people in 2050. It is estimated by the year 2025, the Earth will have 27 megacities, which are urban areas with more than 10 million residents. Urban neighborhoods save energy through efficient mass transit and greatly reduce greenhouse gases. Those who live in New York City have a carbon footprint less than 1/3 the size of the average suburbanite. Buildings are responsible for almost half of global greenhouse gas emissions. Buildings consume 1/4 of the global wood harvest, 1/6 of fresh water, 2/5 of material and energy flows. What can we do to provide the immense number of living units needed and at the same time reduce waste and pollution? In the United States, buildings account for 76% of electricity consumption and 36% of primary energy use. Operating a typical American house produces 26,000 pounds of greenhouse gases each year. Ed Mazria of Architecture 2030 notes that buildings are the most long-lived physical artifacts society produces. Buildings are one of the keys to solving the climate crisis. The green objective is to integrate environmental sustainability with economic growth and welfare. The consequences of climate change and the growing demand for energy and resources challenge this objective. The solution is green. 1. Improve the environmental performance of products. 2. Boost the demand for better production technologies. 3. Help people make sustainable choices. I have been building custom homes in the mountain resorts for the past 20 years, and it has been my goal to build affordable housing that is high performance and durable using the systems and materials which are used to build the high-end custom homes. Off-site construction using prefabricated components is a more efficient production system which reduces waste and controls cost. What is the most efficient building method for a community? Well, this is it. Communities are produced in the factory, at the development site, faster and more affordably. The more efficient methods of building automobiles are used to build homes. The efficiencies of the factory greatly increase the greenness of the building process. The difficulties of transporting the homes over the road are eliminated. Homes are moved from the factory to the home sites. When the construction of the community is completed, the factory is moved to a new location. Air casters are used to move the homes through the factory. Homes float on a thin, frictionless cushion of air down the assembly line. Six men can move a home on the air casters. Homes and living units are moved to their lots using a patented shuttle vehicle. Homes are moved to their prepared foundations. Once the homes are set on prepared foundations, utilities are hooked up, porches and decks are finished, the grading is completed, and they are ready for move-in. An eco-efficient building system makes it feasible to build high-performance, durable homes fast and affordably.